Welcome back, everybody. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, click the bell notification, and give this video a like. I sure would appreciate it. So today I decided to make a cheesy Dak Galbi fried rice. This is something I like to do when I have boneless, skinless chicken breast. You could also use boneless chicken thighs with this. So I thought, why not make a fried rice? It's easy, it's a lot quicker, and my family loves it. So let me show you how I make this. So to get started with this recipe, I'm going to create a marinade. Here I'm going to crush 6 to 7 cloves of fresh garlic. I'm also going to grate 2 1-inch pieces of fresh ginger. I have several whites of scallions that I'm going to chop. And now I'm going to add the garlic, the ginger, and the scallions into a bowl. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice cooking wine, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of gochujang, that's Korean red pepper paste, 1 teaspoon of GOCHUGARU, that's Korean red pepper flakes, and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. I'm going to give that a really good mix. By the way, you'll want to adjust the spice level to this sauce to your preference. My family and I cannot handle extra spicy things, so this is why I scaled back on the red pepper flakes and the gochujang. Here I have 1 pound of chicken breast. This is boneless, skinless chicken breast that I've cut into small bite-sized pieces. I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the marinade. I'm going to give that a mix, and I'm going to marinate the chicken for 1 hour. So once the chicken has marinated, I'm ready to start cooking this fried rice. I'm going to be using around 3 to 3.5 cups of day-old rice. I also have 1 chopped medium carrot, a little bit of chopped cabbage, and onion that's going to go into this. Here to my electric skillet, I've added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to saute my cabbage, carrots, and the onion first, just for a minute or so. I've pushed the cabbage, onion, and carrot to one side of the pan, and now I'm adding my marinated chicken. I'm going to cook this first and then start combining it with the cabbage to continue to saute. I'm also adding extra sauce. Again, the spice and sauciness of this is to your preference. Next, I'm going to add my 3 to 3.5 cups of day-old rice and start to stir fry and combine everything together in the pan. So I'm going to add some more sauce, the greens of the scallions, and I'm also going to add half of my shredded mozzarella cheese. I've grated around 6 to 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. Eventually I will add it all in, but what I'm going to do now is combine the sauce and the cheese and the scallions with the rice, create a single layer again, and I want this to continue cooking for another 3 to 5 minutes over a medium-low heat until a crust forms on the bottom. I don't want this to burn, so I'm going to lower the heat, and after about 3 minutes or so, the crust is so flavorful and has formed. I'm going to mix it into the rice. I'm going to top this with the rest of my cheese, some toasted sesame seeds, cover with a lid, and let this cook for another 2 minutes or until the cheese melts on top and dinner is ready. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.